Okay, this is a ball gown with belts. Yes, there's a belt attached to it. And I've seen people talk about having difficulties in fixing belts in ball gowns. Some people say after fixing the belt, they find it difficult to join the half length to the full length of the gown. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. Okay, so let's go. Hi guys, okay, I want to show you how you can fix your belt. You see this belt? This is a belt. This is a gown I'm making for kids. This is the half cut. This is for an 11-year-old girl. This is the half cut. Okay, so as you can see, I already fixed the belt. Okay, guys,
And
this is
one
the
good thing I
half
want
cut
you to
of the
know
gown I'm
is
making.
that
Have it in mind that
after
before you
fixing the
fix
belt, I
your
have
belt,
allowance
you
here.
have to
There is enough for me
close the
to use.
zipper
I'll join
allowance,
this
yes, at the
to
back,
the skirt
and
part of
you
the
have to
gown,
fix this belt
of this
before you
gown.
join
That's
the
the
full
down
length.
part. So I want to show you how I was able to achieve this. If this is what you're interested in, then let's go. Okay. You see the way it is now. Excuse me. I want to fix a belt. This belt now, I want to fix it. This belt is on fold. This is 2 inches on fold. I mean, don't open it up, you have 4 inches. This is the wrong side. Here is the right side. So this belt now, it's two for the two sides. The length is the length is 30 and a half. You can make it longer depending on how long you want the length of your belt to be. So now I'm going to go over to the machine and stitch it. I'll stitch it from this place. When I get to this down part, I'm going to make, when I stitch, you can see, when I get to this place now, I won't sew it straight. I'm going to make this way. I'll just make another belt this thing. So you see what I did there. So I'll just sew it like this, then I'll slant it just to give it that belt shape. Okay, so I'll do that to the both belts and I'll show you guys. So this is it. I am done sewing the um so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm done sewing the belt. Next thing I'm going to do now is to bring it out. You see this thing I'm holding? I'm going to use it and push it out this way. If you have something else to use, fine. Take it over to the machine, to the table now. Then I'll give it a very nice press. This is the belt. Now, before I fix this belt, I'm going to shape this cloth. I'm going to mark the shaping. I will not shape it, I'll just mark the shaping. So I'll turn it to the back like this. This is the back. This is the wrong way. This is the wrong side of this cloth. Now, I'll trim out so that it will be equal. Then now is to mark the shaping. Remember, we're working with 13 and a half. So I'll come here. This is my 13 and a half. Then we'll check how many inches we have. We have 4 inches, so we're going to take out 2 inches. You see the way I marked it? We also come to this side. We take out 2 inches. Now the next thing, we'll come to this waistline. We also mark our 13 and a half. Then we check. We're going to the same for, we're going to take out our 2 inches again. We connect it to the upper one. We also come here. So you see what we have now. Now This is what we are going to do. I'm going to open this up. I'll turn it to the right side. I already marked my shaping. Turn it to the right side. You see where our line is? This is where we are going to shape from. When we turn it to this side, this is where it is. Also check this. This is where it is. Then we'll get our belt. This is our belt. This is the front part, oh, not the part that has the part. This is the front side. Now this our belt. This our belt now. You know that um this belt will be this way. It will be like this. You can see me. It will be like this. You know how this belt will be like this. It will go to the back. So we bring it. Check the side that will be at the back. We place it this way. You see the way it is. You know, if you put it this way, you cannot shape. Put it inside like this. See the way I put it. Now, from this half length, I'll just go up by 2 inches. From the half length here, I'll go up by 2 inches. Or let's go up by 1.5 inch. Now this 1.5 inch is where this my belt will start from. My belt will start from here. Did you see? You see now, it started from here. I did not bring it down to this place so that it will block my shaping. No, it started from here. This is my 1.5 inch. Now, from our shaping, this line we indicated here, this is how we're going to shape. You see it? So I'll just bring it in a little. So you see, when we shape now, when we shape, you see that it will close the belt. It will hold the belt. So the way I've done it now, I'll use my pin. I'll use my pin. I'll hold it. See where I hold? It's not where I'm going to shape. Oh. You see, that's where I've held it. Now this one is aside. We push this one to this side. Then we get the second belt. This is the second belt. We also take our chalk. We come up by 1.5 inch. Is now. See the way I put it inside. Then we get our back. We get the back. We place it back the way it was. Place it. Place it. Then now you can now use your pin to secure the side. Have here now. Then we turn it. So we're going to go over to the machine. We shape it down. Shape it down. And while you shape, please check so that you make sure that um this thing, the belt are straight the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so I'll just shape it and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, I'm done sewing. Do you see what we have? Do you see it? So this is it. So this is our belt. We fixed it. Here you see. So what it means now, once we want to wear, once we fix our gown, we'll just so from what I just did now, as you can see, the belt did not stop. It not it will not stop me from joining to the full length of the cloth. That the skirt part. It will not stop me from joining. Here you see, I have allowance. The reason why I have this allowance here, you see that 1.5 inch before I fix my belt. That's why I can comfortably fix this to the half to the full length. Okay, so this is how to fix your belt when you are making children's gown. Not just, yes, mostly kids clothes and baby ball gowns and all that. This is how to fix your belt. As you can see, we already fixed it. It's very, very simple.